Hi grade 5s, welcome to another recorded math lesson. Today's title is Sorting Quadrilaterals. Our learning intentions and success criteria are: I am learning to describe and analyze the characteristics of 3D and 2D shapes and analyze the relationships between them so that I can differentiate between quadrilaterals. I'll know I have it when I can sort quadrilaterals into different types. I just realized I spelled describe wrong there, so ignore that please. Alright, so before we start, we have a few definitions that we need to go over. So a polygon is any closed 2D shape. Okay, so this would not be a polygon, but this would be a polygon. Okay, because it has to be closed. Okay, a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 straight sides. So any closed 2D shape that has 4 straight sides. So you don't want any curved sides like that one. That one would not be a quadrilateral. Okay, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. So something like this, where these two, the top and bottom lines are parallel, would be a trapezoid. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides that are parallel and equal. So something like this would be a parallelogram. So we've got parallel sides here, and we've got parallel sides right here. Okay, and then a rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. So a rhombus, I like to say, is like a squished square. So if all of our sides are equal in length and they look like that, then it would be a rhombus, which, as you may know, would also mean that a square is in fact a rhombus because it has opposite sides that are parallel, and it has all 4 sides the same length. A rectangle is also a parallelogram for the same reasons. Okay, so these are some examples of some quadrilaterals. So this here is a rectangle, but it is also a parallelogram, as we just discussed. It has 2 sets of parallel sides, but they are different lengths. Okay, here's another example of a parallelogram. Okay, here we have a square, which, as we just discussed, is also a rhombus. So 4 equal length sides, and the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, this one here is a trapezoid. We have one set, of parallel lines. These lines here would eventually converge if they went on forever, making them intersecting lines. Okay, and lastly, we have a rhombus here. All 4 sides are the same length, and opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so your worksheet is called Sorting Quadrilaterals. It's on Google Classroom, and it's due tomorrow.